Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my PySticksGui, which takes the analog outputs from my Tyrannus QX7 radio controller and turns them into a digital GUI built in Python using Pygame. First I'm going to show you what it is and what it looks like, and then I'm going to run you through the code and show you how it works. Anyway, let's jump right in. So as you can see, when I move around my sticks, you can see the values changing here in the command line, and you can see the size of the rectangles changing based off of the values. Unfortunately right now Yaw is broken on Linux, although on Windows it works perfectly well, so that should be fixed in the next patch. In the code, we start by importing Pygame, keyboard, and Pysticks. These are all the libraries we will use. Pysticks is contained under in this subfolder, and that's all we need to run this input. Next is defining what con is, and that's just getting the controller name, which in my case is Tyrannus FR-Sky joystick. We're also initiating Pygame on this line here. We're defining our colors for everything here, and text is also a work in progress. And here we are defining what each command down here means. For instance, get throttle is get throttle from itself, and it is using the axis map axis 0, which in this case is throttle, to get what it is and what the value is. Same goes for these three down here, which is get roll, get pitch, and get yaw. Here we, under the while true loop, we are every frame we're getting the value of throttle, yaw, and pitch, which can be seen here. As you can see, every frame, which is every line, it's getting the various values of each axis. Here we're drawing a Pygame display, which is 800 by 600 pixels wide, and here we're drawing our rectangles. So to draw our rectangles, we're starting at width 100, so 100 pixels from the left, and we are at 125 pixels from the top. And to get the varying width of the square, we are timesing 600 by the value of throttle. So throttle varies from 0 to 1, as you could see in the console, and pitch varies from roll and yaw. They vary from -1 to +1. So that's why we have if yaw is less than 0, yaw equals yaw plus yaw times -2. So that's just flipping the negative number into a positive, and that's how we get this to become the different sized rectangles. This is stating the height, which is 50 pixels in our case. As you can see, it does this for every single different axis, and here it's just updating our display every frame. This is saying if the keyboard shortcut Control Q is pressed, it will quit, print by in the command line, and break the program. And these 3-4 lines here are the debugging that you can see here. I think it's just a nice thing to have. Here it's saying if the keyboard shortcut Control C or break is used, it will break the program and quit everything. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share the video.